Alright, so this is a bore gauge. It's spring loaded on the sides here, and what you do is if you twist this, it will lock it. And twist it, it opens. So you close them up and you lock them. Put them in a bore you want to measure. Oops. Like this con rod end. You open it up, lock them, then drag it out. So you arc it out, lock it more, and hopefully that pulled out the right size. You can measure with the mics. Yeah. Just bring the mics over and you rock it until the anvil starts to drag on the faces. Like that. I can feel it dragging just a little bit. And then I can measure it. So 155, that's 0.501. Yep. Which is about what I measured before on these. So yeah, they work really well. There you go. Now you know.